Uncertainty over the U.S. election could have a significant impact on financial markets around the world. That includes the South Korean stock market and the $1 exchange rate. Our Kim Jae-hee has the analysis.
South Korea is keeping a close eye on the U.S. presidential election. Uncertainty due to delayed results and the Trump campaign suing several states have raised concerns of volatility in the financial markets. But the finance ministry on Thursday said the election's impact will be limited.
The possibility of increased volatility in the domestic financial and foreign exchange market is expected to be limited, as much of the U.S. election risks are already reflected in our markets, and as the U.S. monetary and fiscal policies will mostly remain unchanged.
But many experts say short-term volatility is possible, especially in what one analyst sees as the worst-case scenario, the winner not being officially declared by the end of the year.
The least favorable thing in the financial market is uncertainty. The longer the circumstances that hamper investment decisions continue, the more volatility will increase. Such anxiety will likely lead to a fall in the stock market or a rise in interest rates and bring instability to the foreign exchange market.
The expert explained instability stems from the delay to economic stimulus measures and worsening investor sentiment amid COVID-19. But once there is a clear winner, stock markets will likely rise as the U.S. will pick up the postponed economic stimulus measures. Experts also hint that if Biden wins, eco-friendly businesses and the biohealth sector will benefit, whereas if Trump wins, the tech-heavy Nasdaq and the IT sector will strengthen. Watchers also say the U.S. dollar is likely to strengthen for the next couple of weeks amid uncertainty, but it will likely stabilize with a clear winner. Many experts think that Biden is more predictable than Trump.
Just by looking at their stances on trade, Biden has a multilateral approach and Trump has a bilateral approach. Having a multilateral approach means keeping the global standard, which increases predictability.
Amid external variables, the experts said Seoul may be able to reduce uncertainty and volatility through proper intervention and monitoring. Kim Jae-hee, Arirang News.